If I had 10 minutes to look this fresh, imagine what I would do with 30 minutes. Come, I'll show you. And I swear by this look, it cannot go wrong with Indian looks, Western, if you're going for a party and you want something very minimal. Why I swear by this is because this makeup, exactly this makeup, has survived a 2.5 hours dance class and it did not budge. So I can guarantee you that if you follow this same procedure to do your everyday makeup, it's going to take you some while to like get a hang of it, to do it in just 10 minutes, but I can guarantee you that your makeup is not moving anywhere.
First, let's start with the skincare.
Apply a good amount of moisturizer before you start any makeup look, क्योंकि it does make a difference, and this is one of my favorites क्योंकि it's really light on the skin, especially in this weather which is very humid and hot. So uske liye I think this works really well. Then of course everyone's favorite lip mask. And then comes your shield, that's your sunscreen. You should never skip sunscreen. I mean, I can't stress over it more क्योंकि I know nobody wants to look wrinkly when they're old, right? I'm trying this one, it's from Dot & Key. It's really nice, it's very light on the skin and I think it does the work. And also it gives a very cooling effect after you applied it, so I think it works in the summers. And now that my skin looks really healthy and happy with its food that is moisturizing and all the skincare that you do for it, it's time for concealer. For my everyday makeup, I don't use a primer because I don't like layering too many products. And then just go blend it. Always blend your under eye concealer in the last. Meanwhile, you can just go and blend the other areas of your face and let the under eye concealer sit for a bit longer. So I will now teach you how we can blend the under eye so that it doesn't crease as much and it stays on for longer time. For that, we don't swipe it. We pat it. With very soft hands, hold your brush from the behind and pat it. It'll look more blended. It will melt into your skin. After I've done this, I've blended all my concealer. I am going to take my setting spray and I just spritz a bit of it and let it dry. So I would go to this product. This is optional if you want to like have an added glow on the face. After this, you can directly go ahead with your compact powder. Be very quick with it, and if you don't want to use a brush, you can simply go ahead and use your beauty blender. I am going to add a very hydrating tint. Take your blender and blend this nicely. I will also add some more of this one. Yeah, I think that is good enough because इससे ज़्यादा रियल लाइफ में मैं हैंडल नहीं कर पाऊँगी टिंट. Take whichever compact you have on your brush. Be generous with it. Go in pressing motions, not in swiping motions. I feel it's very important to seal your cream and liquid products with a powder. Very thin layer of powder, not like a cakey patchy work. I only do this for you. I only do this for you. Na, 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 na. I'm a scanty brow girl, so I did my eyebrows off camera because they do need attention. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then apply my mascara. This is how it looks like after I've done my mascara. Just take your favorite nude lipper and go ahead, apply it. And as you must be familiar that no makeup artist is ever satisfied with just one lipstick shade. So I'm going to go ahead and add a tiny bit of this just on the inner part of my lips. And last May, I would go with a nice nude gloss. I love this one from Blur. And the last step is to go ahead with your fixer again. I used this one, and if you don't want to use it, that's also optional because you've already used it before. But I like to use it so that my makeup stays in place all day long. This is my everyday makeup routine. Glowing, simple, and skin that feels like skin.